Unveiling quinoa, the ancient super grain revolutionizing modern health. Imagine a grain so powerful that it sustained ancient warriors and is now revered in modern kitchens worldwide. Quinoa, often called a super grain, isn't just any staple food. Originating from the Andean region, where it was a dietary staple for the Incas, quinoa was celebrated as the mother of all grains and was believed to be sacred. Quinoa unpacked, nutritional powerhouse revealed. Quinoa stands out for its unique nutritional profile. It's a rare plant food that supplies all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, a rarity in the plant kingdom. It's packed with fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and various beneficial antioxidants. Highlighting the research. Recent studies have elevated quinoa from a health food to a scientific marvel. Research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry highlights its role in reducing the risk of several chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and even aiding in weight management. Quinoa's high fiber content not only helps in feeling fuller longer but also improves blood sugar control, showcasing its benefits for diabetes care. Quinoa for all, gluten-free and heart-healthy. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for those on a gluten-free diet. It's not just a trendy alternative but a genuinely health-supportive grain. Its abundance of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for overall cardiovascular health and are potent anti-inflammatory agents. Ready to unlock the culinary secrets of quinoa? Don't miss out on our mouth-watering recipe ideas at the end of this video. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, these quinoa creations are sure to impress. Hit like, share this video to spread the wellness, and subscribe to Very Okay for more delicious, health-boosting tips. Top 5 benefits of quinoa and how to incorporate it into your daily life. 1. Complete protein source. Benefit. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that offer a complete protein profile, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for human health. This makes it an excellent dietary choice for vegetarians and vegans. How to incorporate. Add quinoa to your salads, use it as a base for stir-fries, or replace rice in your meals to boost your protein intake. 2. High fiber content. Benefit. Quinoa is much higher in fiber than most grains, aiding digestion and contributing to a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management. How to incorporate. Use quinoa as a side dish or a main component in your meals to increase your daily fiber intake. 3. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Benefit. Quinoa is packed with nutrients like iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, supporting overall health and energy levels. How to incorporate. Integrate quinoa into your breakfast by making porridge or adding it to your morning smoothies. 4. Antioxidant properties. Benefit. Quinoa contains a high level of antioxidants, which can help neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. How to incorporate. Snack on a quinoa salad or mix cooked quinoa into your favorite muffin or pancake batter to reap its antioxidant benefits. 5. Gluten-free. Benefit. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it a fantastic grain alternative for those with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. How to incorporate. Quinoa can be a substitute for gluten-containing grains in any meal, particularly for pasta, bread, and baking recipes. Preparing quinoa. Why and how? Preparation is key. To make the most out of quinoa's nutritional profile and ensure it's pleasant to eat, proper preparation is crucial. Rinsing. Quinoa is coated with natural saponins, which can give it a bitter or soapy flavor if not removed. Always rinse quinoa thoroughly under cold water before cooking. Soaking. Soaking quinoa for a few hours or overnight can help reduce cooking time, enhance its digestibility, and reduce the phytic acid content, which can bind minerals and reduce their absorption. Cooking. Use a ratio of about 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of quinoa. Bring to a boil, then cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the germ separates from the seed. The cooked quinoa should be fluffy and have a slight bite to it. Delicious and easy quinoa recipes. Breakfast quinoa porridge. Ingredients. 1 cup quinoa, rinsed. 2 cups milk, dairy or plant-based. 2 tablespoons maple syrup or honey. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Fresh fruits and nuts for topping. Instructions. In a saucepan, combine quinoa and milk. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes, or until most of the liquid is absorbed. Stir in maple syrup and cinnamon. Serve hot topped with fresh fruits and nuts. Quinoa chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients. 1 cup cooked quinoa, cooled. 1 cup whole wheat flour. 1/2 cup rolled oats. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1/4 cup white sugar. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half a cup chocolate chips. Instructions. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix flour, oats, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, cream together butter, brown sugar, and white sugar until fluffy. Beat in egg and vanilla. Gradually add dry ingredients to wet ingredients, mixing until combined. Fold and cook quinoa and chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls of the dough onto a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Quinoa avocado salad. Ingredients. 1 cup cooked quinoa, cooled. 1 ripe avocado, diced. 1/2 cucumber, diced. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, avocado, and cucumber. Drizzle with lime juice and olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Toss gently to combine and serve chilled. These recipes are designed to be quick and easy, using quinoa as a versatile base for a variety of flavorful and nutritious dishes. Subscribe for more health-transforming tips and mouth-watering recipes that not only taste great but also nourish your body. Thanks for watching. Very okay.